Hello, this is the fourth prompt of spoken poetry by Poetry Planet. The theme is My World. My poetry's title is My Own Sphere. In the poem, I have my personal universe. I have my personal universe. I live in dreamy wonderland. My world contains jungles. My world contains jungles. Also stars with sea and sand. I have got everything. I make the sand castles, obtain pearls from ocean. I make sand castles and obtain pearls from ocean. Stars adorn my cosmos. Lush trees sway in slow motion. I think I am the wealthiest. I think I am the wealthiest person on planet Earth. I own horizon and a sky. Such beauty, with such beauty, I live in mirth. Koyals, cuckoos, all songbirds. Koyals, cuckoos, all songbirds, chirping for me they sing. They sing with their chirp. Cascades cavort. Cascades, I love cascades. Cascades cavort. Peacocks dance. Fluttering butterflies swing. Boundless happiness, overflowing joy. Boundless, abundant happiness, overflowing joy. How much I bask in glory. So many reasons to live with glee. Everything is hunky, dory. This type of lifestyle is my age-defying factor. This type of lifestyle is my age-defying factor. Time is for me. I'm not for it. The time is for me. I'm not for it. That's my unique character. This is my private world. Thank you.